Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your korg LCD screen that hard to read because of the screen is fading, got lines or no writing at all. There are several possibilities that may causing these problems: the power supply, capacitors, heat burn polarized film, backlights or broken LCD IC controller. First step is we must open the back panel cover. Remember to take a note when you do this. For me, I usually make a simple drawing for the screw and cable placement, or you can print the manual book for your guidelines. Replace your CMOS battery from your main board, especially if you haven't changed it for a long time. But also be careful, this will erase your program settings, song arrangement, and even time and date settings. Remember to back up before you do this, or make sure you have the original disc from korg to load it later. This is an electroluminescent backlight that I want to replace. It comes with various colors: white, green, orange, blue or else. This time I want to change my screen into blue. You can find it in your local electronics store, or you can find it on eBay or AliExpress. Make sure you order the correct size in the description. Or if you find your screen burned or fading in the specific area on your LCD, you may need to replace or clean the polarized film that often causing the spot or fading area. Okay, the backlight is on and I can read my LCD again, but unfortunately I still have a problem with the middle screen, which has several missing lines. It seems I need to replace the middle IC controller. I will show you in my next video when my new IC got arrived. And thank you for watching. Terima kasih.